Good morning students. Today the series of online classes. Today I explain you the most important part of this chapter, that is brain. In this topic we explain the internal structure of brain and also the working of brain. Brain is the most important thinking part of our body. That's why it can be protected by a hard covering that is known as skull. Skull covered with 3 layers which protect the brain for any type of external jerk. 3 layers have inside of that a fluid is suspended that is known as CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. Brain divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain also known as cerebrum, midbrain and hindbrain. Hindbrain divided into 3 parts: pons, medulla and cerebellum. So one by one we explain you the part and the working of each part. Forebrain is the large part of brain that controls so many functions. Forebrain control all voluntary actions. Voluntary action, you know very well what is the means of voluntary action. The action which is controlled by ourselves. And intelligence, memory centers, emotions, hunger sensation, sensory organ receptor points. It means it control all the voluntary action. Suppose that time I explain you, so that is controlled by our brain. And intelligence, how can we calculate any calculation? 2 into 2 is equal to 4, that is calculated by our brain. Then memory, there are so many memory centers are in our brain that can be correlate to and thinking. After that given any decision about that is the intelligence. Emotions, sometime you sad, sometime you excited, that all type of emotions is controlled by the forebrain. Hunger sensation, it given messages to your brain. Hypothalamus is the most part that given instruction to your brain for the hunger sensation. When you are hungry, when you are getting hunger, and how many suppose you are not taking lunch for many time, not taking food and not drink water for a long period. After that sometime your brain, your given instruction to you that you are getting hungry that time and you are getting to drink water. So that instruction is given by the hypothalamus and controlled by the forebrain. 5 sensory organs receptors points also given messages instruction your brain